Namaste. Welcome to Crystal Maths. Today we are going to see in class 10 areas of similar triangle. In that we are going to solve one theorem. Let us see that. The ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It is given the areas of two similar triangles. So let us take these two triangles as similar to each other. ABC, P, Q, or we can give the name. Then when we are saying that one, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, immediately we can write down the ratios. That is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, that is equal to AC by PR. Okay. Now we need to construct certain things because they are saying about areas, we don't have the enough things and all. So what we are going to do, we are going to construct a perpendicular AM we can construct for perpendicular to BC. Same way PN we can draw the perpendicular which is perpendicular to QR, we can draw that. Okay. Now, area of triangle ABC, which is equal to, area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. Height is nothing but the altitude of the triangle, we know that is AM. So, BC into AM. And area of triangle PQR equal to half into basis QR and its altitude is PN. And the question is find the ratios of that. So what I am going to do, I am just dividing this to get the ratio of this. So we will come to know what we are going to get. Half is common, we are cancelling. So we are getting BC by QR into AM by PM. Now, take this triangle, that is this triangle and this triangle will be given. If we are observing these two, AB and PQ are in the same proportion. Okay. As well, angle P and angle Q are equal. Because when we are saying two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So, in these two triangles, angle P equal to angle Q. As well, this one, that is perpendicular. AM is perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. So, AMB will be equal to PNQ. So, according to AA similarity, that is, two angles are equal, the triangles are similar to each other. So we can tell that ABM is similar to triangle PQN. If these two triangles are similar, immediately ratio follows. That is AB by PQ will be equal to BM by QN. Ratio are similar, right? That's nothing but AM by PM. So, look at here. That is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. AB by PQ is nothing but BC by QR, which follows from this similarity. So, we can write BC by QR. And I am going to write the last one, AM by PM. Now, I am going to substitute over here. If we substitute the value over here, value of AM by PN in this place, we are going to get that BC by QR the whole square. Similarly, we can say that one. Similarly, we can say, yeah, this will be equal to AB by PQ the whole square as well. This will be equal to AC by TR the whole square also. Instead of drawing the perpendicular to the side BC, if we are drawing to AC or if we are drawing to AB, we will get the remaining two results also easy. Thank you.